everyone, so I got this wig from Show. I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply it in this video. It is a nice ombre blonde unit and it's completely already fixed for you. I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything or pluck it. So I'm going to show you guys right now how I install it, and then we're going to get on to makeup and then talk about how I like this wig, or how much I like this wig. Okay guys, so I just laid down this this unit. I'm gonna just move some of the hairs out from right here because it's already kind of glued down to my head anyways, but just to make it less less pronounced, less crazy. There we go. That looks better. And then that's the only hard part about baby hairs, is like sometimes in the very beginning it can just look really like too much. Okay, I like that better. But I was able to flatten this wig down, so I'm gonna do my makeup next. I'm going to an event at around maybe 2 p.m. but I'm gonna have to leave at 1:30, so I only have like an hour and 30 minutes left, which is honestly more than enough time to do my makeup because I do my makeup pretty quickly. I think what will take a little bit more time is my lashes, so I want to make sure that I have everything done before I go ahead and have to go. But I'm literally only going to bump my hair. Like, I'm not even gonna really straighten it that much. I'm just gonna bump it and just make sure it's like somewhat presentable. Because again, like I think Cher in the show, she didn't really have like a super curly looking style for her hair, so I'm not gonna do that with my hair. I'm just gonna do it pretty simple for today. I would have done my nails, but I don't have time for that. Like, I'm literally on a time crunch and I never filmed before an event. And I'll put the links to all the products that I've used down below, so be sure to go ahead and check all that out. actually a very fast makeup job, but I'm in a hurry, kind of, sort of anyway. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of like bump my hair, straighten it a little bit, flatten the certain parts of it out, and then I'll be ready, pretty much ready to go. I'm just gonna talk about the unit for a second. But I really like this hair a lot. Honestly, it was super easy to put on. I did not pluck it whatsoever. Didn't need plucking on my part, which was great. But honestly, like the RPG show wigs are known for you not having to do anything anyway, so I really didn't bother. But I'm gonna go in and just kind of straighten, straighten the bumps out. Get ready to go to this Valentine's Day event from Forever 21. It was going to kind of be like a meet and greet, but it was so last minute from them, I guess, that I didn't really give you guys enough time. Yeah, I didn't really give you guys enough time basically. So, and plus a lot of you guys actually live on the East Coast, which I didn't know. I keep getting comments about people saying that they're from New York, and I'm like, oh. And then I look at my demographics and it does say that a large percentage of my audience, even on Instagram, is from New York. That's pretty cool actually, because I've only been once and I was like, what, 12 years old since I last went. So I didn't get to go as an adult. So I think it'd be nice whenever I do go back, you know, I can enjoy it as an adult finally. So I think I need to also, because I don't like how the sides are way too long. I think it looks less natural. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just kind of trim the front part. So I'm gonna start there. I'm just gonna kind of frame my face better, basically. There we go. And I just really go in and try to just thin the front part out, because no one has that much hair, you guys, in the front part of your head. So like, it just lays better once you do that. Like once you kind of just go in and trim it or like taper the ends, it just looks better. I will say that everything else that this wig company does, they do it pretty well. They don't, it looks pretty natural. So in here, there we go. Y'all see how cute this looks? It looks so natural too. So, and also it looks natural from the sides here. I did use the Got To Be glued, and I just glued everything down. Worry about that. I'm also gonna probably put some hair mousse in my hair so everything kind of just like lays back. I'm gonna be going for like a Clueless look for today as well. I kind of just be bumped on the sides and just more so like out of my face. So I'm also going to be getting some footage with this hair, outfit, makeup, everything at the event. So I'll be definitely still filming more so y'all can see kind of like the behind the scenes there, because I do want to film. Okay, it's super movable. Yeah, I really like this look. And I put on my lashes that I got a while ago from TJ Maxx, like I said before. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put a beret over this though, because I'm going for that Clueless type of look. But step back so y'all can see how this hair is looking. It looks really nice, and I think that this is a perfect blonde for darker skin because it's more of like a strawberry blonde. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but y'all can see here, they did more of like an ombre look. I did get this hair from rpgshow. So this is the bag that the wig comes in. It does come with 2 wig caps as well. This is not my color, so I can't really use these for now, but I can go ahead and color them if I want. They also sent me, I think this is conditioner. This is a really good deep conditioning brand, Absorber. And I actually worked with them on a video before, and you guys actually liked how the wig turned out. So if your wigs end up getting like really like ratty and stuff, or if they end up just kind of getting old, you can go ahead and use that, and it really does bring back your wigs to life. They also sent me just, I guess, specs of this wig, and they also sent me a little pamphlet or magazine full of different styles from rpgshow that they have, which is really cool. So it usually comes with a bunch of stuff, and I really love that. It also has a stone-in elastic band inside of the unit as well. I got this wig in a size 21.5 inches. This is what the back is looking like. Very, very thick hair. And I got the 200% density. So even though it's 200%, I'm glad I got this in a 16-inch length, because also I'm not that tall. 16 inches does look a lot longer on me than it actually is, but I also kind of just trimmed it to make it more blunt cut, so it was a little bit longer but it was more thinner at the ends. This is a nice ombre unit. It says the name is Anthony Cuts 36, I guess. I have a transparent tinted Swiss lace, and it's in the shade medium brown, just like a nice ombre, or more of like a rooted ombre. I don't like the ombres that go kind of too far down, but I like how the ombres are just at the root. I think I prefer that for a lot of my wigs. Honestly though, I have had an ombre where it was like halfway through the hair, but I love a good transition, and if it's not a good transition and it's halfway down the hair shaft, it's not my favorite. So I personally really do like how this looks. I'm gonna get into the price of this unit for you guys, and as you can see, for me prepping this wig, it didn't take long at all. It's really fast, and it looks super natural as well. I could still go in and pluck it, but I don't really think that I need to, and also it didn't take long for me to flatten the unit either. So the wig price that I'm wearing is $359.99. They do a lot of the work for you, so you don't have to worry about like the parting space. They actually part it on the side. I went ahead and I parted it in the middle. The lace is very transparent, which is great. Like I didn't have to go in and bleach the knots or anything. So they take care of all of those extra things for you. For me, this is literally straight out of the box. I have only worn this wig one time and I didn't do anything to it. So literally it's just, I got it how I got it, which I've been looking for more units like that more often because I hate having to pluck the wigs myself. It just takes a lot longer. Experience a lot of shedding at all. That's it. And I think I actually like this length on me more than if it was super long. Now that I'm getting older too, I like shorter wigs. Yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video, or this portion of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this out to the event that I'm going to, so y'all can go ahead and see it in person. Yeah, all the links to this wig will be down below in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later.